Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, we're going to be doing Dollar Tree clothing haul. Yes, I said it. Dollar Tree clothing haul. Clothes I bought from Dollar Tree. That's what I'll be featuring today. And I'm going to be styling it for you guys to see how they fit. You will be surprised that you can actually get something in Dollar Tree, as in clothing in Dollar Tree. How is that possible? Yes, I went into Dollar Tree and I came across this. I was like, oh wow, you know, the t-shirts, I mean, it's so simple. Boys t-shirts, I mean, you know, ladies can wear it as well. But being the kind of person I am, I'm going to style it in a lady's way. Right, I'm going to even DIY it to make it look like a lady's t-shirt. All right, I'm going to be doing that quickly in this video. It's going to be very short and very fast, and you know, I just want us to have fun. I don't want to prolong this video too much. And please let me comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Which part do you like? Which one is your favorite? Thank you all so much for watching. You know, this bag, you know, it's from Dollar Tree, okay? And I bought this set of clothes from Dollar Tree. First of all, I will show you the t-shirts, okay? The t-shirt is right here. I bought this in two different colors. I bought the red. I think I bought 3 different shades. I already DIY one of it. I don't know if the video is out before this, but whichever way you will see it, okay? One is maroon red and one is like sharp, like very super sharp red, and this blue one. They are all $1, okay? And this size is size medium. Actually, this one is in the youth size, but it actually fits, so why not? So this is the one I'm gonna be styling with the pants that I bought from Dollar Tree as well, okay? But I'm gonna try to turn this into, you know, ladies girlish kind of design. All right, okay, so first of all, we're going to try it like this, then I will do the DIY, then style it that other way. All right, so let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. The pants, this is it. All right, it is called slimming leggings. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. It's slimming leggings, a division of, you know, stop pulling it, squeezing it into it, sucking it in. No, this is relax and slip into sleeping jeggings. Okay, this is called slim jeggings. All right, this is what it's called. It looks like fashion jeans, feels like leggings. All right, breathable plush lining. So I believe this will be very good for the weather that we're going to be going into, you know, winter time. That's what I believe it meant by that plush lining. I'm going to figure that out by the time I open it. I think the breathable plush lining, I just want to go by the little knowledge I have, that this is going to be very good for the weather that we're going to be going into, which is winter time. I feel like it's going to keep you warm a little bit. Yeah, it's like hot look, cool, comfortable style. That's what they wrote on it, with real pockets at the back. All right, and this is, yeah, before when the lady wore it, and this is after. I don't know if you all can see it, like it says no muffin top. Okay, this is that you don't need to suck it in when you're wearing this kind of jeggings. It's going to help you to tighten up your hair, to make it flat. That's what it meant. And this is after for the lady. I don't know if you all can see it. So they have that hair, and they said stop pulling it in, stop squeezing it in, stop sucking it in, relax and slip into these slim jeggings, the most comfortable jeggings ever. Okay, smooth your bottom, no visible panty lines, smooth muffin tops, hips, get great fashion and style at a fraction of the cost of designer skinny jeans. Wow, 3D heat infusion printing, stretches to your shape, feels amazing. And they have it in size small / medium. That's how they size it, size L / extra large. Then they have 2 times, then 3 times. Okay, so I'll be trying, of course I'll be trying small medium. That's what's written here. Okay, this is retail for $5. It's not $1, but it's $5, and it's very affordable. The reason why I said so is that you have 2 in here, which means you are buying one for $2.50. All right, so look at that. So that's what we're going to be trying in here. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and bring it out. You have two inside, like I said, two. So I'll put this right there. Let me put that. And you have two colors. Okay, see, this is the first color. Let me, all right, guys, this is the first color. Okay, it's blue. All right, with real pocket, like they said. You all know this is jeggings, and it doesn't really, you know, that kind of smell that you get. I bought jeggings before in the past that I can feel, smell the chemical. This is not strong. It's there, but very light. Very light compared to the one I said I bought in the past. I couldn't wear that. Even though I washed it, I can still smell the strong chemical, whatever they used to produce it. But this one has it, but very light, very like barely there. So try, if you say, you've got to try them on to believe them. That's what they have on this sticker right here. And of course, this is the blue one. And this is the black one. Okay, look at that. They look so real, like jeans. You would think they are jeans, but of course they are jeggings with real pockets. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the blue one with you guys. Of course, the blue one, if I try the black one, they're still gonna be the same thing because it's the same body trying it. You understand my point? But I'm gonna go ahead and style it for you guys. So as not to prolong this video, let me quickly switch over. All right, I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, I couldn't help, guys, I couldn't help than to stop to talk about this before I go on to style this jeggings. It feels so good, like it feels like real jean. Like, look at that, guys, look at that, look at the back and the real pockets. Of course, that's what they said, and that's what is there. It feels so good, and it's very breathable. The breathing plush lining that they talked about, this is what they meant by it, the inside, and this is how the inside looks like. You can see this plush lining, this is what they meant by that, and this is so good, like it's very breathable, and I believe it's going to help to keep you warm, you know, during winter time, and even when you wear it during, you know, fall, summer is almost over, but even if you're wearing when it's hot, I believe it's breathable, as in I can feel it in my body. Like, I just had to stop before I continue styling these jeggings for you guys, for you to see how amazing it looks. Look at that, guys. See, it's amazing. $2.50. Why not? You all know me, all right? I can buy my clothes anywhere. I care less, like as long as it's good. Yeah, thrift store I shop, brand names I shop, Dollar Tree I shop, whatever. Money is money. Okay, all right, yay. Let me dress this up, let me just style it. Okay, so guys, this is the t-shirt that I bought from Dollar Tree for $1, and I told you it's from the Utah section. That's what they have anyway, Utah size, and this is size medium, and it fit perfectly for me. So I quickly did my DIY in order to make it look like a, you know, like a girly kind of a girly style, if you get my point. So it's a quick DIY. If you all don't know how I got this style, I have a video about it that will be coming out soon, or either it's out before this. It's so quick that you can just quickly get this done and make you look a little bit stylish without, you know, just be like a plain t-shirt. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pair this outfit with these shoes. It's also jean material, so that's what I'm gonna be pairing with this outfit now. All right, guys.
No, I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a girl that can't get no love from me. Sitting in the passenger side of her best friend's ride. Try to holler at me.
Baby girl, you stay on my mind. Fulfill my fantasy. Tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. You see it in my dreams.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
I love cheap grills.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
I love cheap grills.
So
rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you, rockabye, baby. Don't you cry, no.
well, Monday, where the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm.
So please have mercy on me and take it easy.
second one, the black one, still paired it with the same top. So this is the way I go by styling. If I'm not using the same, if I'm not matching my shoes with my top, I always try to match it with my pants, so they come as close as possible. I mean, that's the way I style my own outfits. Alright, I really like these jeggings. They are very, very breathable, just like they said. I feel it fits in so perfect and it feels so real. You would think it's jeans looking at it from far away, but they are jeggings. Alright guys, this concluded the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy watching it. Please don't forget, like I always say, please leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video and which one is your favorite out of it. Will you try to go into Dollar Tree? You know, they're not paying me for this, but I feel like why not? $2.50 with a $1 top. You just pair with your maybe one of your expensive shoes and you dress it up. You can still dress it up. When if it's cold, put on your jacket on top of it and you'll be good to go. Alright guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy watching it. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you all so much for watching and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.